But this morning for this particular trade algorithm. And it says it doesn't always guarantee that it's going to still be there like the next day, but take a look at what's happened in these two trade levels here. And then again here, and then again here. These were the trade levels we drew on your charts this morning for that particular algorithm, and you can see that they have done quite interesting business at those two price levels. Now, I've only seen the same algorithm kicking off again just in here, and that meant that you were kind of chasing this one, but there was Goldman's were certainly seemingly selling into this pocket up here at 523s. So obviously it was a chase on to try and get involved in that as a break back to the downside here, and that's kind of worked out. It's dropped off quite nicely since then. But it's a very slow drop, isn't it? Once we got VWAP offered, it looks kind of market maker-esque in the way it's developed on the downside here, but it is holding below VWAP, suggesting that we might still have a bit of juice left in this one. But certainly the top edges is now a real deal. It's now definitely a current thing, regardless of what it had yesterday. It's definitely now a thing today, and therefore any retest without any other information could be an opportunity to play this one. So we talked about this morning. We gave you these levels this morning. I told you about this pocket up here. We told you about this area down here. And if you've decided to obviously apply them, then you've managed to get some really nice rotations from those. But that's not, to be fair, I didn't suggest that you should, because I simply didn't know whether that would actually be applicable or not. And it turns out it was, and it's developed out the way you can see it here. Sell-side bonds is done pretty good at the end of the day. Boy, did good on the bond. Fair value, I think, at the moment. Possibly a buy at lower prices. I said we'd cover the bond again in the classroom, guys. It's at 4 o'clock, ahead of the Fed, of course.